Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Volotea application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application, you can search for flights, you can also book flights, and you can search for hotels, car rentals, different travel agencies. You can check your bookings, you can proceed an online check-in, you can choose your seat, you can add luggage, so there are a lot of options within it. And at the like the personal section, at the profile part, you can give informations about yourself, and you can set the payment methods, you can add travel documents, and so many things that are very useful if you're about to go somewhere, if you're going a trip and you want a very good application to manage all your information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.